Well, today is the day one of India Energy Week. This is the third edition, and in this third edition by itself, it's become the second largest energy gathering in the world. Especially, this is an opportune time as well, because for 2025, this is the first time that you have various countries, ministers and CEOs gathering together to take a stock of what really is happening globally in sense of tariffs, retaliatory tariffs, the geopolitical tensions, the energy transition, and of course the energy demand and investment itself. What we do understand that IEW, or the India Energy Week, this time around is looking at participation from 20 foreign ministers from Qatar, UK, Russia, Brazil, etc. There are 90 CEOs present here as well from various energy companies, 70,000 delegates, 700 plus exhibitors are taking part into this. Well, there are also 10 country pavilions here, including US, Canada, Japan, Germany. The day one today is expected to focus on ministerial announcements. Remember, there are various energy ministers from many countries here, so they would be making announcements there. They would be taking stock of what's really happening in the international markets and its impact on energy security. Apart from that, there also is a hydrogen bus ride today. Well, that's a key highlight of the day today. And then there are various MOUs slated to be signed as well. MOUs between BP and ONGC, BP and EIL, Honeywell and AM Green. Honeywell also with the NTPC would be signing an MOU. These are some of the few MOUs that I have listed out for you. Apart from that, Minister Puri will be holding bilateral meetings today with energy ministers of Qatar, UK and Russia is some of them. And then there is focus on oil security, on energy transition, energy collaboration, energy resilience, also energy transition capacity and energy digital frontiers. These are some of the topics that are going to be spoken about at India Energy Week today. This is just day one. This is what we have been told to expect from the day today, and plus much more in sense of experience, in sense of AI and experiential stuff that has been put out here. What really comes out is something that I will keep coming back to you with a sense on information on what really has been discussed here.